If you have the situation where a couple has gotten divorced and they have minor children and say that there's a car wreck that the minor child is involved in, it's typically going to be a race to the courthouse. Does dad file it first or does mom file it first on behalf of the child? But it's that negligence claim belongs to the child. And so if that happens, mom or dad hires the lawyer. It's said mom on behalf of minor child is next friend or language that's similar to that. If there's a recovery, you actually have to get a court approval for it because if you're under the age of 18, you cannot legally contract in Tennessee. And so the court has to give approval to it to bless it. And that way the releasing parties, the person that caused the injury is actually released, especially in a situation where you have people that are poor and don't have a lot of money. Sometimes you may be put in a situation where the parent is going to want to use that money just for day-to-day living when that money legally belongs to the child. So sometimes the court will order that money be placed in an account at the clerk's office to get interest until the child turns 18 or invested or used somehow on their behalf. Now, court can make orders if the family comes up with something reasonable to do with the money, like, we want to put it in a college fund or, the child needs to be able to get a car when they're 16, that type of thing. But the court has a lot of leeway on what to approve. I mean, they even have to approve the attorney fees if we're on the case to show that we're charging a reasonable amount it's all designed to protect the child.
In family law, we say the judge is the third parent. They act in what's called in loco parentis, which is a Latin phrase for in the place of the parent.